guys, and welcome to this video.
As you all know, I have a keyboard I recently unboxed, which was this one. Let's see if we can get into the Apex Steelseries gaming keyboard. Now, that going to a friend of mine. Very happy about that. That is going to go to someone else. But I managed to pick up the Apex m800, which is their mechanical version of the keyboard. Now, less macro buttons than that, but it's the mechanical aspect I like. And what I've read, it's a lot easier to program for the Mac than it is that one. And you've got the interchangeable buttons as well for your window key and stuff, which is great news for me, because I keep messing about with it and buggering it up pretty much. So I will unbox this in a moment, but before, actually no, we'll unbox it in a minute, but I can show you while I'm unboxing what I did to the deck in preparation. Well, not in preparation, in the sense that I was already doing this with the other one. One of the other reasons I got this, it was dead cheap. One of the best bargains I've found in a while when it comes to tech. But yeah, I will show you this on here, and I unbox it on here as well, so I'll see you in the next clip. So as you can see, here it is on the deck and it's ready to be unboxed, which I will do now. But before we do that, as you can see, hang on, there is just that top bit here, there's a little hole. I'll just mount you off the camera a moment. You can see there's a little hole that I recently did for my cable management for the cable to go in. So let's tip this forward. Don't like the other one. It looks like it may be. There we go. Now it's actually pretty much the same way the other one came. Okay. Very silent switches, which is what I was looking for. Now there's the cable. Has it got the extra rubber feet that I want? It has. Now you can see these bits are going to be the most important for me, because this is the command key and stuff that I need for the Mac. Out the top, nothing else in there. Right. Put that over there. Put that there a moment. Oh, I do it like that, that's a lot better. Now, for me, this is a lot. Hang on. Pull this up a minute. There we go. Yeah, for me, this is a much better size for the deck compared to the other one. Let me just show you. On a moment. The old one compared to the new one. So it's massive. It takes up so much more room, and this one doesn't have much, which is fantastic. We'll put that one away in a moment, and I will set this up and then show you the software and stuff for this. And if we put a bit of light on this now, I think it needs it. You can see it's a lovely keyboard. So yeah, we'll go on to the next one and I will show you it all set up. So as you can see, here is the keyboard in all its glory, and as you can see, it looks a hell of a lot better
than the other one on the deck. It gives me more room to do things, and you can see it got the RGB lighting on all the keys. So I'm just taking a view from the top. I apologise how crappy the camera work on this is, so I do apologise for that, but you can see it's a fantastic keyboard, and I'm really loving using it. So thanks for watching, and this has been the Steelseries review and unboxing.